All right, y'all. This is not the creek. This used to be dry. The creek's like 20 feet over that way. Glad we got out of there, guys.
Well, we wouldn't have been able to drive out anyway. We'd just been stuck on Moby.
Oh, I just mean I'm glad we got out of, you know, there. Down there.
Oh, there's still so much more water coming. Wow. I'm having to put the stuff up high.
Yeah, bro. Everybody? Yeah. We can get across that. Guys.
It looks like the other storm's passing us over though.
It does.
That's right.
This is dope. Absolutely wild.
Trinity River, such a dirty little